everyone, this is Erin Gates from Lizzie Knits and Three Birds Yarn Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do the left twist stitch, LT. This is a left leaning stitch and it's worked over 2 stitches and it produces 2 stitches, so no decreases or anything. It's just, and it's very similar to a 1/1 cable knitting cross, but you will not need to use a cable needle. So this stitch is very handy and it shows great definition. So on my little swatch here, I already started working a diagonal line of left twisted stitches. So my next 2 that I would be working over are these 2, but I'm going to show you a couple along the way and then we'll get there. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. All right, let me knit 2 and just get started here. Okay, so the next 2 stitches I'm going to do, sorry, I'm trying to center it here. The next 2 stitches, I will do the left twist. What you want to do is slip both stitches knitwise onto the right needle. So slip, and that means you're going through the front as if to knit, slip, slip, okay? And then you want to place both of those back on the left needle. Okay, so now you're going to do the stitch, you will be working into the back. So you want to knit into the back of the second stitch, but keep it on the needle. And now you want to knit into the back of both of the stitches. So it's kind of like then knitting them together through the back loop. All right, and you just got 2 new stitches and you can take the 2 old stitches off. And a nice little left leaning twist. Okay, let's do that again. So there's like 3 steps to it. First step, you want to slip them both knitwise. Slip, slip, and put them back on the left needle. Okay, now you want to knit into the back of the second stitch and keep everything on the left needle. So there's 1 new loop, but now you want to knit through the back of both of them. Okay, and that's your second new stitch, and you can take them off the needle. Just knit 1. Or actually, here, we'll do this again, sorry. Okay, slip, slip, put them back on the needle, knit through the back of the second one. Now knit through the back of both of them. Those are the 2 new ones. Take those off. Oh, and now I'm actually at the part where I wanted to continue this little design I have going on. Okay, slip, slip, both knitwise. Put them back on the left needle. Knit into the back of the second stitch. Oops. The back of the second stitch. Now knit into the back of both of them. All right, one more time. Slip, slip, put them back, knit into the back of the second, knit into the back of both of them. One last one. Got 2 stitches here. Slip, slip, put them back, knit into the back of the second stitch, knit into the back of both of them. All right. So that is now left leaning twisted stitches. Okay, thanks for watching.